Hello guys, we are Patrick today. We will try to do Made in Heaven. You know
There's no disc and they will made in heaven. Look.
Ultimate Valkyrie.
2, 1, go shoot. Go shoot. Oh, what the?
Try Choosy Valkyrie. No,
Okay,
don't join
Okay.
Choosy Valkyrie first. Ano muna yung lalabanan yan?
4, 2, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Let's see. What the?
But it was doing Made in Heaven for a
But it's doing a made in heaven before.
Wait.
Let's see ultimate. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Oh, right. Oh, again.
Natati yan.
3, 2, 1. Go shoot. Oh no!
Driver.
The driver burst. Again.
Broken. Sma.
2, 1, go shoot. What the?
Launch it from the top, you dum-dum.
Am I dumb? You're not right.
You
Like
launch it from
this.
the bottom.
Okay.
Bottom, not middle.
It's middle.
Easy. Okay. Let me try.
And let's give it.
Let me try Puto.
Okay. Uy! Oh!
Knock back.
Let's try with disc. Wait. This. We place a disc.
This. The accent is very
3,
not
2,
fluid.
1. Go shoot.
Oh, the Valkyrie attack, Choosy.
No, it's not working.
No.
No, it's not working. Oh, it's foggy. Oh, wait.
Oh, that's what we use for Made in Heaven.
3,
2, 1.
go shoot.
Go
Shoot. What the? It's made in, it's made in heaven for the while. Oh,
Ano for the while?
for a while.
Let me try with no disc. Ultimate Valkyrie. So back in the scenes, they both did Made in Heaven, but they don't want to show it because they have their own minds. They have their own power.
No. Bye. Let's go in part 2. Oh, I mean